you get better. All right.
A winning mindset isn't just about vision, but it's about having the discipline, the systems, and the follow-through. You can have the best strategy, the most innovative idea, and the clearest of purpose. But if you don't get things done, your business will not survive. And unfortunately, the marketplace only rewards those who deliver and those who deliver consistently. People want to do business with those who show up, those who deliver. So when you think about execution, you have to think about building operational discipline and a reputation of excellence. It's about having those clear goals, clear execution plans, creating repeatable systems, because success is not a one-time event. It's built through habits and structures that you've built into your business that will ensure that you remain consistent. It comes from simple things like showing up on time and prepared. We spoke about that. It comes through things like meeting deadlines. If you say you're going to send me a document on the 21st, make sure that I don't get it on the 27th, but I get it on the 21st. Delivering your service with excellence, solving customer problems before they get escalated. I mean, when you think about Dr. Maponya's early business on delivering milk to customers on his bicycle, he demonstrated an unparalleled work ethic. Rain or shine, the milk was delivered.
Listen to this.